Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now in this video I'm going to show you we are going to run the Facebook ads library scraper, and we have this application Python script that I've developed for my client, but want to make sure that we have some sort of prerequisite that are required to run the file. So make sure that you have a folder, and whether this I get this folder and I have different files, and one of the most important screenshots folder, it contains all the required screenshots that are necessary to run this folder. Okay, so I will explain you later how it can be done. So it's the Facebook page URLs file which contain the Facebook pages URL, and this each page have running some sort of ads, and I'm gonna scrap this folder Facebook page one by one. So it will go and it will check all the ads run on the specific Facebook page, and it will scrap. The second is the media name files. This is the file you need to create if you wanna because in order to avoid duplication errors. And the most important folder is the media folder, and I'm gonna paste this name media, and this folder is used to store the download images and files. I have already created on my desktop, but I don't need this anymore, and I want to navigate this to the media folder. So they are the prerequisites, and I need to save some sort of images. Let me check. And for example, I'm gonna go and call nature images, and I'm gonna save this image to the media folder, because I'm doing all sort of stuff because the thing is, wait a minute. So this is a media folder, and this media folder contains all of us. I'm gonna save it this 2-3 files in order to, because when I start the bot, it will automatically navigate to, yes, you can see this, it go to the media, start navigating this folder. So for that reason I'm gonna set the folder path from the system to the media folder. Okay, later on you can delete this. Okay, so now one of the most important thing, that you have an updated version of Chrome, and about Google Chrome updated version, and I got this version 1.2.4, and it's continuously updating, and this bot only run on Google Chrome, not run on Firefox, not run on Opera, not run on Safari, something else, not run on Microsoft Edge. But you need to upload the make this bot running on the Google Chrome, and make sure that you have a running Facebook account. You must log into your Facebook account, otherwise you cannot run this bot, because this doesn't require any sort of API, anything like this. So you need to just log into your Facebook account and then run the bot. Okay, I hope I'm explaining this. And the most basic and necessary step is related to the personalization. We have go to the display settings, and I have Windows 10, and my screen display resolution is 1366 into 768. These are my display resolution settings. So these settings are much needed, because there are many sort of settings, but my laptop recommended by 920 1080, but I set under 1366 and 768. That was good enough, because if you change your resolution settings, let me change it. So if you change the resolution settings, it will you can say some sort of icons, and you can say icons of the files are little got disturbed. screen resolutions high, screen resolutions low, you know better. So I have to save it on 1366, which is 1366 and 768. That was perfect. So I hope you really guys understand this. So I'm gonna run this bot now. I start this, I've developed this. So instead of running from Visual Studio, for the sub users that don't have proper Python experience. And now last thing, here is the requirements.txt file. I have beautiful soap, OpenCV Python, OpenPyXL, Pandas, Pillow, PyAutoGUI and Paperclip 3. These are the required modules that are needed to run the pod. And make sure do you have a latest version installed in your system. I want to run this and I simply type Python. I got this. It is 3.123, 3.12.3, mean 3.12.3, latest version of Python released on 9th April 2024. So want to make sure that you have a latest version installed. So I'm gonna run this. Simply type cmd and then I'm gonna open this, and first I have already wrote the Facebook page URLs. These are the 3 URLs that I'm going to extract Facebook ads from these pages one by one. So one by one Facebook pages are required, and so I'm gonna start this, and this is called, I'm gonna run this Python bot.py. So here is it. Don't worry about this syntax warning. So it's start, and I already launched Google Chrome, navigate, and simply the bot start working. Okay, so you can check this. It go to the Facebook page, and basically, as I told you, my apps are the browser based automation solution. So it's not an API. It's simply open this and copy this whole stuff. Okay, so 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 as you can see, I've already set the media path, so it will by default go to the this folder, and it will save the image. Now we have the second folder, and the second folders are it basically scrap adds one by one and save to folder. One by one adds scrapping. So this is not an API. Check this. So you can see this Facebook page run very soon after 4 of 6 record. I'm gonna stop this scrapper and I'm gonna show you that how you can scrap down. Basically you can see it moved to next page, and it picked the next page. Yes, we have next page, and So you can say that it start running and it simply scrap the information and check this out one by one. It's scrap ads. So I'm gonna run this for few ads, then I'm gonna show you that how you can run the crawler. If you can run the crawler, you want to stop the crawler. So how you can stop it? Basically, we have enabled the one of the most important part that I've skipped here is that you need to enable some sort of extension. You need an extension to download Facebook videos from Facebook, because there is no direct approach. So let this scrapper scrap 5 to 6 posts, and then I'm going to show you another most fundamental steps it's required, that which extension, which Chrome extension you need to store data, because it was much needed. As you can see, it according to image is according to post, it's save image in the media folder. Sorry, my internet connections was really sucks sometime. So save the image one by one. It's saving image, and I'm gonna stop this scrap crawler version. So I'm gonna show you, if you don't wanna run this crawler anymore. Big thing I wanna tell you, the one of the cons for this system, that it will completely engage your monitor screen. It's a browser-based automation, and as we know, in the browser-based automation solutions, don't allow, it can't run on the background, it don't allow any sort of input IO. So you need to show some very patience to run such of it, and it's an hourly job. It can scrap data, but it's a long process, it's a huge process. So this is the last image, and I'm gonna stop this simply by placing, and then I'm gonna stop the terminal. Sorry, I've attached the video, and it's 4 minutes video once. So here is the thing, that before I'm gonna the data was scrapped. It's a data JSON file. It simply scraps some, and I'm gonna show you that how when you simply, you can, as is so better, when you stop there, when you run the crawler once again. So I'm going to stop this. This simply create data. It plays the data. So here is it, and data stored in the Excel document, because I stopped scrapper, and as you can see, this is the data and each file. So file path, and you can see this file one by one it scrap results and store the data in the information. Because I run there very poor data management, I need some sort of time to make it better for my users. User experience always better, So I'm gonna check this test. Here is it. You can see these are the images downloaded, and images of handbags models. Except for these two images, these are irrelevant. I've shown you that you need to store the image into the same folder, because when the bot start, it will automatically navigate to the folder of file opener. It's a default settings of the Windows operating system. I hope it will go back. So here is the data, and the data is scrap, very few data, but as you know, I simply stop the scrapper after 4 or 5 records, because my videos are completely honest based opinion. It doesn't require any sort of fake things. I'm no doubt to say, with the genuine persons, we don't want to fraud people. So here is it. If, this extension, video downloader plus. So you need this extension if you want to download. So I'm going to say video downloader plus. It's a Chrome extension, and I give you the URL, and it says you need to add this into the Chrome must, and add this pin this extension into your bookmark, something. So this will play a key role to download videos from Facebook ads, and you can also use this to download videos from Facebook post. So otherwise your crawler will not work. These are the prerequisite steps. So I hope you guys really like this video. Please mention your feedback. I shall be very happy. And what you thinking about this, how can I make this more better if you have any issues related to the data. So this scrapper enables my user to scrap huge amount of data from Facebook ads, but it's an hourly, and there are some pros and cons. The system made by human, not by the god. I hope it sounds perfect for you. It sounds satisfactory for you. So if you need this, I give you my contact information, and here is my Upwork profile. You can place the order directly. I have more than 1k earning on my Upwork profile, and this is my Twitter account, and my LinkedIn, my Discord. I have very busy social media routine, and you can also approach me through on my Reddit. But if you want to know further sort of information, plus I will give you my WhatsApp. Make sure you have updated. When any user buy this system from me, I will give the complete installation video tutorial, how you can run this program onto your system. Make sure you have a Windows 10 or 11, and if you are on a Mac or Linux, so you have something very says, and it will also work on Mac and Linux. I design on a Windows. It's good if you have a Windows. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.